How to introduce yourself in ChatGPT to get more personalized responses. So it's pretty simple. Open your ChatGPT app, and once you are here in the left down corner area, click on your name or your account's name, and here simply click Customize ChatGPT. Here you can introduce yourself to get better, more personalized responses. So simply select here your nickname. Here you can enter what do you do, for example, the web designer. You can choose here what personality should ChatGPT have. So simply click here and select if you want the cynic, robot, listener, or the nerd. And here you can enter what trait should ChatGPT have. You can select here and enter the trait. For example, be casual and chatty or use a formal professional tone. And down here you can type anything else ChatGPT should know about you. So for example, some values, interests, or preferences. Then make sure to enable for new chats and then click on save and you will get more personalized responses. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.